Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to cover the topic addition and subtraction involving negative numbers. These are some important points that you need to remember in order to solve questions. The first one is when two integers have same signs we perform addition, and when two integers have different signs we perform subtraction. Now let us discuss about the signs to be taken. Well, while performing addition and subtraction we take the sign of the bigger number. However, when multiplying same signs we get a positive signs, and when multiplying different signs we get a negative sign. Now let us solve some questions that are related to addition and subtraction involving negative numbers. Here we have 4 questions, and out of 4, 3 questions are having brackets. So first of all we need to solve the brackets, and in order to open the brackets we need to multiply the signs, and in all the 3 questions that are given over here the signs are different. Outside the bracket we have plus, and inside the bracket we have minus. And we know when multiplying different signs we get a negative sign. Therefore we have 6 minus 2, 4 minus 10, minus 1 minus 7. Now that we have opened the brackets, now we will perform addition or subtraction depending on the signs of the integers. First of all we have a 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. Then we have 4 minus 10. Well, as the integers have different signs we will perform subtraction. 10 minus 4 is 6, and as we take the sign of a bigger number while performing addition or subtraction, so we will write minus 6. Then we have minus 1 and minus 7. When the integers have the same sign we perform addition, so 1 plus 7 is 8, and we take the sign of the bigger number, so we will write minus 8. Then we have minus 5 plus 8. As the integers have different sign we will subtract them, so we have 3, and we take the sign of the bigger number, and we usually do not write plus sign, therefore we will simply write 3. Now we have the second question, evaluate each of the following. In the first question we need to solve the brackets. We will simply multiply the signs. We are having two same signs, so we will have a positive sign, that is we will write 7. Minus minus is plus, so we write 7. Then we have 5 minus minus 3. To solve the bracket we will open it by multiplying the signs. Minus minus is plus, so we'll write 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then we have minus 4 minus 7. As integers have same signs, so we will perform addition. We will write 11, and we will take the sign of the bigger integer, that is 7, so we will write minus 11. Here we have brackets in the fourth question, so we will open the brackets by multiplying the signs. Minus minus is plus, so we will write plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2 is 6. Because 8 and 2 have different signs, so we will perform subtraction. 8 minus 2 is 6, and we will write the sign of the bigger number, so we will write minus 6. Now we have the third question. Here we are having 3 integers that we need to solve. Find the value of each of the following. 4 plus minus 7 minus minus 3. First of all we will open the brackets. We have plus minus 7. As the signs are different, so we will have a negative number. Plus minus is minus, so we will write minus 7. Then we have minus minus 3. Minus minus is plus, because the same signs give us a positive sign, so we have plus 3. So finally we have 4 minus 7 plus 3. First of all we will solve 4 and minus 7. As 4 and minus 7 are having different signs, so we will subtract them. 7 minus 4 is 3, and as we take the sign of the bigger number, so we will write minus 3. Then we will write plus 3, that is left. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we have the second one, minus 3 minus 5 plus minus 9. First of all we will solve the bracket. Plus minus is minus, so we will write minus 9. Here you can see that all the numbers are having a negative sign. When the numbers have the same signs we perform addition, so we will simply add them all. 3 plus 5 plus 9 is 17, and as we write the sign of the bigger number, that is 9, so we will write minus 17. The third one is 1 minus 8 plus minus 8. We will solve the bracket first. Plus minus is minus, so we will write minus 8. Then we will simply solve the first two integers, 1 minus 8. The integers have different signs. 1 is positive and 8 is negative. So we will subtract them. We have 7 and we take the sign of the bigger integer, so we have minus 7. Then we will write minus 8 that was left. Minus 7 minus 8 both are having same signs, so we will add them. So we have 15, and as we take the sign of the bigger number, so we have minus 15. In the fourth one we have minus 2 plus minus 1 minus 6. First of all, we will open the brackets. Plus minus 1 is minus 1, because when we multiply different signs we get a negative sign. So we have minus 2 minus 1 minus 6. All the integers have same signs, so we will simply add them. So we have 2 plus 1 plus 6, 9, and we write the sign of the bigger number, so we will write minus 9. Then we have minus 8 minus minus 9 plus 1. Let us solve the brackets first. Here we are having two same signs, and when we have two same signs we get a positive sign. So minus minus 9 is equal to plus 9. We have minus 8 plus 9 plus 1. First of all, we will solve minus 8 and plus 9. As the integers have different signs, we will subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1, and we write the sign of the bigger number, so we will have a positive 1. Then we will write 1 that was left. 1 plus 1 is 2. In the last one we have minus 5 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. First of all, we will solve the brackets. We have plus minus 3, different signs give us a negative sign, so we have minus 3, and plus minus, again we have plus minus 2, so different signs give us a negative sign, so we have minus 2. All the integers minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 are having same sign, so we will simply add them. We have 10, and we will write the sign of the bigger number, that is 5, so we have minus 10. In the given question we have 6 plus minus 5 minus minus 8. We will solve the brackets first. We have plus minus 5, the signs are different, so we will have a negative sign. We will write minus 5. Then we have the same signs, minus minus 8. Minus minus is plus, so we will write plus 8. So we have 6 minus 5 plus 8. First of all, we will solve 6 and minus 5. As the integers have different signs, we will perform subtraction. 6 minus 5 is 1, and we take the sign of the bigger number, so we will have a positive 1. And 8 that was left, now we will solve that. 1 plus 8 is 9. In the last one we have 2 minus minus 7 minus 8. Let us solve the bracket first. Minus minus is plus, so we have 2 plus 7 minus 8. First of all, we will solve 2 plus 7, that is 9, and then we will write minus 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Find the value of each of the following. These are the same questions. 23 plus minus 11. We will solve the brackets first. Plus minus is minus, so we will write 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. Then we have minus 19 plus 12. The integers have different signs, so we will subtract them. We have 7, and as we take the sign of the bigger number, so we will write minus 7. Then we have 17 plus minus 29. Here we will solve the brackets first. Plus minus is minus, so we will write 17 minus 29. Both the integers have different signs, so we will subtract them. 29 minus 17 is 12, and we write the sign of the bigger integer. 29 is bigger, so we will write minus 12. Then in the last question we have minus 21 plus minus 25. Plus minus is minus, so we will write minus 25. Minus 21 minus 25 are having same signs, so we will add them. We have 46, and we write the sign of the bigger number, so we have minus 46. Here we have some more questions which are similar to the previous ones, and I hope that you will be able to solve these questions on your own. I suggest that you write these questions, you solve them, and then you match your answers. We have a word problem. The temperature of a village on a particular night is minus 11 degrees centigrade. The next morning, the temperature rises by 7 degrees centigrade. Find the temperature in the morning. Well, the temperature was minus 11 degrees centigrade, and as the question suggests that the temperature rose by 7 degrees centigrade, it means that we should add plus 7 degrees centigrade. Minus 11 plus 7, as the integers have different signs, so we will subtract them. 11 minus 7 is 4, and as we write the sign of the bigger number, so we have minus 4 degrees centigrade. So the temperature in the morning was minus 4 degrees centigrade. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope that you found this video useful. Kindly subscribe.